Ladies and gentlemen, good evening. And it is indeed a good evening. The Jamaican National Trials 100-meter finals just concluding and is a good look. I mean, for both male and female, it just up. And we are so incredibly proud. As Shelley said in her interview after her 100-meter final there, that we should rally with Jamaicans, whether they win, lose, or draw, as we said in our video prior. And we're so happy that we stand by Jamaicans no matter what. Now let's get into the results. It was great watching the 100-meter final for the men. We have Kishane Thompson taking first place there in 9.77. It was tight. Oblique tried. I mean, they both stood out at the line. And they are both on top of the world right now. Oblique Civil is 9.82. I think Noah Lyles, American sprinter, he got 9.83. So the Jamaican man, they man look good, real good. Akeem Blake is third in 9.92, and you can see the other times, but top three should go to the Olympics. So that's Kishane, Oblique, and Akeem. Now tell us in the comments, were they your picks? Were you looking to see Kishane, Oblique, and Akeem? Tell the truth, you know. Nobody come change them out now because them win. Tell us who you originally thought would qualify for Olympics. No, as it relates to the women, oh my gosh. Can we say we have the top three before we even mention it? Who were your picks? If you said Sharika, Tia, and Shelly and Fraser Price, you are correct. You know, your intuition do you good. Sharika Jackson got the first there in 10.84, Tia Clayton second in 10.90, and Shelly in 10.94. It was great for Tia. Tia is just 19. And it's nice to know that we have the other generation will take over when the older generation has to hang up their tracks. So I think that's it. Oh, the Americans, they had their 200-meter as well. And Gabby Thomas, I think she got world lead in 22.71. Shakari equaled her personal best in 22.92. Let me just confirm the times and get back to you. So my apologies. I'm seeing Gabby 21.78 were lead there. And Shakari, I think it was 21.92. Alright, so we'll post the time in the description if we got that incorrect. And we'll also post the times for the finals that happened tonight. We are so proud. Sharika said that, she wasn't so confident being that the performances that happened and so forth, but she trusted her coach, and her coach, you know, a good coach. She all they wanted to do was get into top three, according to Sharika and Shelly. That's all they wanted to do, get into top three so that they could qualify because the real showdown at Olympics. Alright, so that's it for now. We hope you have a blessed night. We'll post more tomorrow. Bedtime now. We hope that tomorrow, um, I'm here falling asleep on you guys, that tomorrow will be greater. It will be greater. We hope you have a blessed one. Take care of yourself and take care of each other. Until next time, blessings always.